So Imogen, it's been a year since your weight loss surgery. You had a sleeve gastrectomy.
I did.
And you've done phenomenally well. Tell us what your success looks like.
Well, 10 stone down in the year, which is something that I could never have dreamt of. It's something that I never even allowed myself to consider that I would ever be normal. And that to me is the dream, just to be normal. And that is what I've got now. And I've just got this life that I always dreamt of, you know. Experiences like going to New York and going away with friends, doing things, not being scared to do things.
Getting on the plane with a seatbelt.
I know, the seatbelt fit, room to spare, it was amazing.
Fantastic.
And, you know, not pushing into other passengers or worrying about it, or it's just amazing, the freedom of just doing anything you want without worrying that you're going to be judged or ridiculed.
One of the things that we think is really crucial for post-operative success is the support structure.
Yeah.
What's your experience of our support structure?
That to me is probably the most important bit of the whole thing. It was, I think, the reason that I managed to achieve what I've achieved is because of the people who are there supporting you, being part of this team, and this sort of mentality that you're in it together and you want to succeed and you want to be there with everyone else and do a good job and make them proud. And that has been the most important thing. I think in another program I probably would have done all right, but nowhere near as well as I've done, because it's that mentality of wanting to do a good job, and that's what's meant everything.
And in our support group, which I think is really vital, is that the team are part of the support group.
Yeah, definitely.
So we've got the dietitian, we've got the nurse specialist, we've got the psychologist.
So if you've got any questions, they're answered. Like that. It's amazing. In fact, I've never had a question that went unanswered. I've never had any problems. It's always been amazing. The dream.
And for me, you've been the perfect patient, so I thank you very much for allowing me to take you on this journey. And the reason I say that is because you're so young and you didn't have established weight problems like diabetes and high blood pressure. So you are the perfect patient in order to have a preventative
I'm so
situation.
Glad. So glad I did it.
And it's hopefully meant that the rest of your 20s and 30s are all about career, relationships, life, travel.
It's amazing. I'm so glad that I just decided to do it now. Other than wasting my life being unhappy, that would have been awful. So instead, I've now got a life that I'm going to look forward to. It's great. It's amazing. And I have to say thank you for the most incredible support, everything you've done. You've always been there. And it's just been my absolute dream come true. You've given me my life.
My absolute pleasure. Absolute pleasure.